whisper in the silence, the rhythm starts to rise. A melody like sunlight breaking through the skies. Every note a heartbeat, every chord a flame. In the quiet moments, I am not the same. Frequencies that find me when I fall apart, tuning all the chaos in my heart. This is the sound of healing, echo in my soul, lifting all the pieces, making me whole. When the world gets heavy and the lights grow dim, music is the medicine, it pulls me in. Science writes the story in waves and symmetry, but deeper is the magic, the soul's own remedy. From sorrow to surrender, it knows just what to do. Every harmony, a truth coming through. It wraps around my spirit, gentle as the rain, washing out the silence and the pain. This is the sound of healing, echo in my soul, lifting all the pieces, making me whole. When the world gets heavy and the lights grow dim, music is the medicine, it pulls me in. Neurons light like stars above, as rhythm brings me back to love. Every lyric, every tone leaves me whole. This is the sound of healing, echo in my soul, lifting all the pieces, making me whole. When the tears are falling and I can't pretend, music is a miracle, my closest friend. It's the voice when I can't speak, the strength when I feel weak. In every note I find new meaning. This is the sound of healing.